Hi friends, let me show you this new Grange set that I received for reviewing purposes. Has a nice carrying case. It comes in the most common metric sizes. Okay, 8 to 19 millimeters, 8 to 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 19. And it has a really nice feature. It has this open end to reach some nuts, but also it has this ratcheting end that you can use to be more precise in your work. It even rotates if you need to work this way, and each of them have the size in it, so you are ready to work. It has from this 8 millimeters, a small one, to this 19 millimeters, and all of them have this end, flipping end, that you can move around to work. Perfect for any home task, even some machinery in your car, anywhere that you need to work. This set is great, as you can use it in this way. Let's try it. As you can see here, we could use the open end of the Grange to work on the nut, or use this ratcheting one to do it more easily, even if it's to tighten it, or if you want to untighten it like this. Really easy. Okay, so if you want to have a Grange set for this kind of home work, this is a great one with an open end side and this closed circular side that you can flip to work on whatever project you need. Thank you.